Well, to me, in some ways, it's going toward you. If every single company I deal with is very proud that they've lowered the China exposure, some of that, Joe's got to go for, instead of West Coast to East Coast to West Coast. That's your wheelhouse.
It would be. I mean, obviously, if it comes to East Coast ports, it's even better for us. But we do move a lot of traffic that comes from the West Coast ports because it makes its way over to Chicago or Memphis or somewhere and comes onto our network because 2/3 of the population are on our side of the Mississippi River. But yeah, I mean, our exposure to China is less than 10% of our revenue, but still, it's an important part of it. But if we make things in America, better for CSX.
Right, now let's talk about that. I look at these companies and I take it for gospel when I see the president saying, listen, we got $550 billion this and $500 that. I think it's going to be in the Southeast, and that right to work states. You can debate, if you're a union person, you might say Cramer's anti-union. I'm not. But the area of this country that has the workforce that everybody knows is hardworking and doesn't necessarily unionize is your area. So you must be sitting down with some executives and planning where all these plants are going to go.
No question, Jim. Matter of fact, we had 37 plants open on our network this year so far already.
37.
37.
And what's the average before this?
Probably half of that.
Well, that's
but
good.
I'll give you a better number. At the end of last year, we had 500 projects in the works with companies to find locations on our network. That number is now 600. And that's even before this tax bill goes through, because that bonus depreciation.
Have you read that tax bill? It's really good for growth.
The bonus depreciation, especially on factories, is huge.
You're the first person that's talked to me about it. I've been looking at it every day. I cannot believe it can spur a huge amount of growth. Joe,
I saw some stuff today that said it could improve the IRR by 50%.
I agree with that.
On a manufacturing plant. You want to build here? That's a big deal.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.